make an ad like this takes 5 different tools. One tool for the script, another tool for product images, another one for visual references, another for video generation, and then editing software to put everything together. But this entire ad was created inside Buzzy. That is what makes Buzzy Canvas interesting. It is not just another AI video generator. It is a full creative workspace where you can plan the script, build visual references, organize storyboard frames, adjust lighting and camera angles, and generate the final video in one place. So today, I want to test it myself. Can I create a complete AI drink ad in about 30 minutes using Buzzy Canvas? Let's find out. Before I start the challenge, let me quickly explain why Buzzy is interesting. For me, the 2 most important things are consistency and control. First, consistency. This is one of the biggest problems in AI video. You generate one shot and it looks great. But in the next shot, the character changes, the product packaging changes, the scene looks different, or the whole visual style starts drifting. For product videos, UGC ads, short dramas, and commercial content, that is a real problem. You need the same product to stay recognizable. You need the same character or host to remain consistent. And if you are building a longer video, the scenes need to feel connected instead of looking like random clips. Buzzy Canvas helps with this by keeping the script, character references, product visuals, scene setup, and storyboard frames inside one visual workspace. So before generating the final video, you already have a clearer structure for what each shot should look like. Second, control. A lot of AI video tools still feel like rolling the dice. You type a prompt, generate a clip, and hope the result is usable. With Buzzy Canvas, the workflow is more visual. You can review the script, check the 9-square storyboard, adjust lighting, refine camera angles, change framing, and control the direction before generating the final video. And the reason Buzzy can support this kind of workflow is that it brings multiple models into one platform. Here on the Buzzy homepage, you can see different models available for different creative tasks. And among these models, Buzzy has also integrated Seedance 2.5, which is the one I especially want to highlight today. Seedance 2.5 is one of the key video models inside Buzzy's current workflow. For creators, this matters because product ads, UGC content, short dramas, and commercial videos are not only about making one good-looking clip. You need motion, camera movement, consistency, and shots that actually feel usable. So the idea is simple. Buzzy Canvas gives you the consistency and control to plan the video, and Seedance 2.5 helps turn that plan into polished AI video clips. Now let's test it. Today, I'm going to challenge myself to create a new drink ad in about 30 minutes using Buzzy Canvas. Now, I'm going to run a quick test. I am not going to manually write a full script from scratch. I'll start with a simple product idea. Let Buzzy Canvas expand it into a structured direction, then use the Canvas workflow to build the visuals, storyboard, lighting, camera angles, and final video. For this test, I'll create a fictional energy drink ad. I'm starting with a simple product idea, a fictional sparkling energy drink called Citrus Volt. The goal is to make something that feels like a real TikTok shop or UGC-style product ad. Inside Buzzy Canvas, the first step is turning this rough idea into a more complete video direction. Instead of giving me just one random paragraph, the workflow can help structure the ad. The hook, the product benefit, the scenes, the timestamps, and what each shot should communicate. For product ads, this is important because the video needs to sell one clear idea. It is not just about looking cinematic. It has to show why the product is useful. Next, let's look at the visual foundation that Buzzy Canvas has prepared for this ad. For a drink ad, the product needs to stay recognizable. The can design, colors, logo style, and overall product mood should not randomly change from shot to shot. Here, the canvas already includes the key visual references for the video. The drink can design, product style, lifestyle scenes, and the creator style setup. This is where Buzzy Canvas becomes useful. The script, product reference, character or host reference, and scene setup are already organized in one workspace, instead of being scattered across different tools. So as a creator, I do not need to manually manage all these assets across different platforms. I can simply open the canvas and review the full visual direction in one place. Now, let's move into the 9-square storyboard. This is probably the most important part of the workflow. Instead of starting with random video clips, Buzzy Canvas already lays out the ad shot by shot before the final video is generated. For this drink ad, the structure is clear. This helps with consistency because the product, host, and scene direction are already planned before generation. The drink can, the host, the color palette, and the overall lifestyle mood are all easier to keep consistent because the storyboard is visually organized in advance. So this is not just prompting and hoping. Buzzy Canvas gives you a prepared visual structure that you can review, refine, and then generate into final video clips. Before generating the final video, I can refine the look of each shot. For a product ad, lighting and camera angles matter a lot. A close-up shot makes the can more visible. A macro fizz shot makes the drink feel refreshing. A handheld angle makes the video feel more natural and UGC-like. And a product beauty shot makes it feel more polished. Inside Buzzy Canvas, I can adjust the lighting, framing, and camera perspective before sending everything into video generation. That is the difference between random AI clips and a controlled creative workflow. Once the script, product visuals, scene references, storyboard frames, lighting, and camera angles are ready, I can generate the final clips, and that is a complete creative pipeline. So after testing it, I think the real value of Buzzy Canvas is the workflow. It is not just about generating one impressive AI video clip. It is about connecting the whole process: idea, script, product visuals, scene setup, storyboard, lighting, camera angles, and final video generation. For creators making TikTok shop content, UGC ads, product videos, short dramas, commercials, or social media content, this kind of workflow can save a lot of time. And Buzzy is not only for making ads. You can also use it to create AI films, music videos, short dramas, animations, cinematic scenes, commercial videos, and other types of storytelling content. And because everything is inside the canvas, it also becomes easier to edit, refine, and create new variations. If you want to try building your own AI video pipeline, check out the link at the top of my description and start creating with Buzzy Canvas.